I want to talk to you about the best thrift store inventory management software tools this year. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. One thing for sure, you have to really understand that it's notoriously difficult to track inventory for consignment stores, right? And in today's conversation, I want to share with you the top tools this year to really help you optimize your inventory, your thrift store inventory. So, whether you are opening a new thrift store or managing multiple retail locations, one thing is really there for certain. It's difficult to manage inventory. You have donations coming in at random points throughout the week, and with only one unit available for each of them, it's kind of tricky to know exactly what you've got in store, right? So, thrift store inventory management software lightens the load. It stores all your inventory related data like product quantities, prices, and sell through rates. So you don't have to spend hours coming through products on the shop floor. However, not all thrift store, let's say, inventory management tools are created equal. There are some that are really, really good, while others are like crappy. Okay. You want to really go for some essential features that consignment stores need that other retailers don't, making it tough to find the right one. So here's a list I want you to pay attention to. The best thrift store inventory management. So you have inventory management software. First, you have Shopify POS. So this is a pretty good tool for the purpose. Shopify POS has everything you need to manage and operate a thrift store business. At its core, you have a point of sale system that allows you to ring up orders, apply discounts, and take payments from your customers in store. And Shopify POS has also inventory management tools to manage stock across multiple sales channels, including your online store. So if you're selling, let's say you're selling vintage clothing in your thrift store, you can show real-time product data, including its availability, price, and product description on your online store and cater to the omni-channel shoppers who make purchases both online and offline. So that's really good. So when you think about Shopify POS, think about multi-store inventory tracking. Think about stock out alerts to get notified when items are no longer available. Collections and variants to organize inventory. E-commerce platform to sync inventory across your physical and online stores. And you also have mobile hardware, including POS Go, to actually pull up inventory data anywhere in store. So that's really fantastic. You also have email cards to in-store shoppers who would rather check out online. So that's really fantastic. If you are looking for the best thrift store inventory management software, I want you to think about Lightspeed Retail, a pretty good tool, by the way. So when you think about Lightspeed Retail, I want you to think about a POS system and hardware. So you have both at the same time. So that's really cool. So Lightspeed, a POS system, offers inventory management, reporting, and payment processing within one. It offers a 24/7 customer support if you have any questions, plus unified commerce features to combine inventory from all of your sales channels. So that's really fantastic. Now, having said that, some of Lightspeed's best features are not applicable to thrift store owners, like the ability to connect with the suppliers and manage purchase orders from the retail software, and your inventory will be coming from donations, really. So, what are the best features when you think about Lightspeed? You have stock alerts to prevent stockouts. That's really good because it really helps you be on top of your orders. You have inventory counting tools to improve accuracy when totaling stock. You have a one-click price updates to change an item's resale price across all sales channels, so you have the ability to get things done in a very optimized manner. You have multi-channel inventory management tools. That's pretty good from a flexibility point of view. Really fantastic. You also have a SKU and serial number support to easily locate inventory. So that's really fantastic. And don't forget the multi-channel inventory management tools that help you actually optimize your stock. So what are the pros and cons when you think about the Lightspeed Retail? The pros first. You have a tool that's customizable. You have a comprehensive inventory management features in a POS system, and you have 24/7 customer support available. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. What are the cons here? Not all features are useful to thrift store owners, so this could be a little problematic. Okay, it can be expensive for smaller consignment stores, and G2 rating is the lowest of all thrift store, let's say IMSs on this list beside thrift cards. So it's something to really think about. Okay, so in terms of pricing, Lightspeed Retail's basic plan starts at about $89 to $100 per month. If you're looking for the best thrift store inventory management software, I want you to think about Thrift Cart this year. Okay, now Thrift Cart is a pretty decent tool. It's a tool that's specifically built for consignment store owners. So that's really important to mention that. And so Thrift Cart actually is a POS system, and that's really important to mention. A POS system that includes the features you will need to operate an efficient consignment store. Let's say the ability to process donations, for instance, that's really important. You also have like you can pick up scheduling, and you can have round up donations as well. So from a flexibility point of view, you're pretty well served. Really think about it that way. So what are the best features when you think about Thrift Cart? You have round up donations to maximize profits. You have pickup scheduling to arrange a convenient time to collect, let's say, a donated inventory. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. Really fantastic. And you have real-time inventory reporting. You have integrations with POS hardware like receipt printers and also card terminals. So that's really good also. And also, so what are the pros and cons here? Let's quickly talk about the pros and cons when you think about Thrift Cart. So the pros first, you have a tool that's very easy to use. Very easy to use. I should confirm that. Okay. It's built specifically for thrift stores, and you're able to speed up the time you spend processing donations. It really integrates with POS hardware like receipt printers and card terminals, and you have a very helpful customer support. On the flip side, with Thrift Card, kind of similar to Lightspeed Retail, no G2 rating is available. E-commerce support and website builder is kind of limited, and pricing is not publicly available. So this could be this lack of transparency is really problematic. If you're looking for the best thrift store inventory management software, I want you to think about Corona POS, and I've actually reviewed Corona in another video. So if you are interested in Corona, you want to go and watch that video. But when you think about Corona, think about the fact that you have a money back guarantee. That's really the biggest selling point here, the money back guarantee. So Corona's inventory management system comes as part of its POS software. It promises flat rates without locking you into a contract and a 60-day money back guarantee, making it a great option for newer thrift shops that want to test out different systems before committing to an IMS. Really think about it, IMS inventory management system. So the best features when you think about Corona POS, the best features include the fact that you are able to organize donations into pricing categories. So from a categorization point of view, that's really good. You have CRM integration to track customer data, and you can track customer data in a very efficient manner. You have a mobile app that's there to help you document incoming inventory on the go. So you have the ability to get things done real fast. That's really fantastic. You have self-service kiosks that use RFID technology. So this is really good also in terms of flexibility. And you have a tool that integrates with all major payment processors. So that's really fantastic. So what are the pros and cons here? So the pros, a free trial is available with Corona. A free trial is available. You have a 60-day money back guarantee. I've said this before. I'll say this again. And here you have a tool that's rated 4.8 out of 5 stars on G2. So that's pretty high. And you have a tool that supports multiple store locations. On the flip side, actually, there is no native payment processing service. This tool only integrates with WooCommerce for e-commerce inventory tracking. So if you have Shopify or BigCommerce, you are really out of luck. And also, the basic plan does not include critical inventory management features. So in terms of pricing, Corona's core plan starts at $59 per month for inventory counts and real-time tracking. You would need its retail plan, which starts at about $69 per month. So be very careful there. So if you're looking for the best thrift store inventory management software tools, I want you to think about Loyverse POS. Again, here is another tool that I have reviewed on another show. Fantastic tool, by the way. So Loyverse is a POS system that's best known for being free. Okay, now free with certain caveats, by the way. So if you're considering this option to manage thrift store inventory, however, it won't be free of charge. Advanced inventory management features come at an additional cost. So when you think about Loyverse, what are the best features to consider this year? You have label printing, you have easy stock level adjustments, detailed stock counts to see lost or surplus inventory. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. You have inventory history to see who donated a product and when, and the valuation reports are there to give you a total retail value and potential profits on inventory. So that's really good from a flexibility but also scalability point of view. What are the pluses and minuses when it comes to Loyverse POS? The pluses first. You have a low monthly subscription, a tool that's rated 4.7 out of 5 stars on G2. The help center is there, and the help center is pretty well furnished in terms of videos and guides and tutorials in 70 to 20 different languages. You can turn your mobile phone into a POS system. No extra hardware is required. So that's something that's important to think about. On the flip side, the free plan doesn't include inventory tools. And so the lack of professional hardware could make your thrift store look less professional, really. I mean, it's one of those things where there's, as they say, there's no free lunch, okay? I mean, the pricing, there is a free plan available, but to use its advanced inventory management features, you'll need to pay for stuff. And this starts at about $25 to $30 per month. If you're looking for the best thrift store inventory management software, I want you to think about POS Nation. And so POS Nation offers both POS software and hardware to operate your thrift store business. Its a POS solution includes inventory management features like mix and match pricing, inventory alerts, and real-time counts. So that's something that's really good to think about. There is actually no limit on how many items you can add, that's for sure. So the best features when it comes to POS Nation includes unlimited SKU tracking. So that's pretty good from a flexibility point of view. Unlimited SKU tracking. You have hardware, including both. You have. Sorry about that. You have touch PCs. You have receipt printers, and you have barcode scanners. Okay, and you have a mix and match pricing to incentivize customers to spend more. So that's really a good thing. You have inventory alerts when your safety stock falls below a certain threshold, and you also have real-time inventory counts and metrics. So this is kind of cool in terms of flexibility. What are the pros and cons of this tool here? Let's quickly have a conversation about that. The pros first. It is customizable. You have multi-store support. The tool is rated 4.7 out of 5 on G2. You have hardware, software, and payment processing combined, so that's really good. And you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so that's pretty good. On the flip side, POS Nation is expensive for smaller thrift stores. You are depending on a strong internet connection, right? And the interface can be difficult actually to navigate at first. So You want to expect a certain learning curve at the beginning, at least, before using the tool. Let's say prominently. So in terms of pricing, POS Nation's starter plan cost about $69 to $75 per month. For extra tools and the ability to manage inventory across multiple stores, you will need to use its pricing calculator for a custom quote. So something to keep in mind as you navigate the nations this year. So what are the extras here? When you think about the best thrift store inventory management software, it's important to understand that there are unique challenges in thrift store inventory management. So you have a high, you might have a high inventory turnover. So it's kind of rare for thrift stores to sell multiple quantities of the same product. Items often come from donations, which means inventory turnover is kind of high. Items get sold as quickly as they are donated. So high turnover requires you to spend time restocking inventory, pricing new goods, and organizing receiving inventory, which can be labor intensive and time consuming. Quality control becomes an issue too if you don't have systems and processes in place to approve inventory before it gets listed for sale. You have low profit margins, so despite thrift shops securing inventory for free, it's not always profitable. Some shoppers treat thrifting as a low cost hobby, something to do when they have spare time, or a way to get new clothes for less than their recommended retail price. Others thrift Others thrift as a way to buy cheap inventory that they can repurpose or resell themselves. Either way, people are looking for bargains. You also have donations and sourcing. So, thrift stores rely on donations as a way to source cheap inventory, but the usefulness of donated goods can vary dramatically. People might drop off unwanted summer items at the end of the season, leaving you with the burden of storing summer goods for 6 months until people are ready to buy the following year. Quality control can also become an issue when managing thrift store inventory, so you might receive items that are dirty or damaged, which either need cleaning or disposing, two tasks you won't turn a profit on. So, what are the features you need to look for in your thrift store inventory software? You want to have a user-friendly interface, real-time inventory tracking, donation tracking capabilities, inventory categorization, barcode scanning and tagging, sales and inventory reporting, multi-channel integration, mobile accessibility, and also scalability. So that's really important to think about it. Now, how do you manage thrift store inventory this year? You want to actually perform regular audits, okay? Regular inventory audits. You can have a full cycle counts, or partial counts among others. You want to use dynamic pricing models, okay? Dynamic pricing actually means the sale price can fluctuate depending on the season, customer demand, changes in supply, stock levels, how long it's been left on the shelf, and market conditions. You want to host promotions and sales. That's very important. You want to organize thrift store inventory in your stock room. You want to rotate and refresh thrift store inventory. You want to engage with the local community for inventory sourcing. You want to use technology for inventory management. And that's really important, okay? And that's how you are going to save money and also make a profit over time. So the bottom line here is that in today's conversation, I spoke to you about the best thrift store inventory management software. I gave you the overview, the list, the extras. So in terms of the list, you have Shopify POS, Lightspeed Retail, Thrift Cart, Corona POS, Loyverse POS, and POS Nation. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.